So welcome again. As you notice, our website is not secure, as noted earlier. Let's just log into InfinityFree. Then you click login. So we have logged in. Let's go to the account that we created. So you know the advertisements. That's how they make money out of free account. So we go to software curious, installer. So let's go to our installation. Then we manage our installation, then we log in. You can close this. So if you notice, our website is not secure. If we visit site, you notice the website is not secure here. It's lacking SSL certificate. So that's what I want us to apply. So we go to accounts, you open your account. So we want to install a free SSL certificate. So you come to SSL there. So this is a domain we want to edit. So you click manage. So there is no SSL certificate that is found. So you click add certificate. You request free. You can also use the other option, but we are requesting for free. This time, let's select manually to go, you use go get SSL. Then you click create order. So the order have been created. So we need to set CNAME. It may take a while. So as you can see, the go get SSL certificate have been issued. It takes some time, and you note the date it will expire. Then we click install. So the certificate is installed, but it might take some time to be active. And once it becomes active, now we should be able to open our website using a secure link, HTTPS. So the certificate is installed. We are waiting for it to be activated. So that may take some time. So you just click install automatically. So after some time, just refresh. It may take a while. I will come back once it is installed, then we proceed. So the certificate is now active on our site, as you can see. Just takes a few minutes. So let's confirm that. So we go to our account. Then you go to Software Curious Installer. So the installation, we need to edit and change this now to, so you remember to edit the URL to add HTTPS. Let's confirm whether there is anything else we need. So let's save this. So let's go back. We confirm the details. So the website URL here we change to HTTPS, then save site info. So now if we click manage login, You notice now it is secure. We don't have that error. Let's visit our site. Again, even the website is secure. So that's how you apply for SSL certificate and install. So now in the next one, now we'll be cleaning up some of the items that have been installed on our cPanel, which we don't need, like sample pages. Remove what we don't need, then we start cleaning up our page. So let's meet in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.